全支持台湾参与 WHA. We will continue to encourage international organizations to put public health, security, and economic prosperity ahead of politics.
Health for all. Taiwan can help. And keep us support Taiwan participation in this WHO.
I want to say to the people of Taiwan, the young people, fight for your health. Health is very important. Without health, all the other developments are not useful. Go Taiwan, and Taiwan can help. And thank you, Taiwan, for helping to us.
So I'm here in Geneva to support Taiwan once again, that they should be included in the WHA to support the idea of universal health coverage, and that no one should be left behind, including Taiwan. Thank you.
Taiwan can help. Taiwan is helping. Taiwan should not be left behind.
St. Kitts and Nevis is proud to associate itself and to champion the cause for the inclusion of Taiwan as an observer to the World Health Assembly.
We have to bring everybody around the table when we are speaking about healthcare. When it comes to health for all, Taiwan can help.
In the light of the theme of the Assembly, which is universal health coverage, leaving no one behind, Nauru wishes to ensure no one is left behind and that Taiwan needs to have a voice.
Quiero enviarles al pueblo de Taiwán un saludo muy cordial y efusivo de parte del gobierno de Guatemala, pidiéndoles realmente todos los favores y que nos han hecho durante este tiempo, tanto en medicina, mejorando nuestros hospitales.